The conflict in Ukraine has not only been a geopolitical battleground, but also a theater for showcasing military capabilities. Russia's deployment of the T-90 tank in the Ukrainian war has significantly influenced the dynamics of the conflict. The crucial role of the T-90 tank in the Ukrainian conflict, advancements, production boosts, and technological enhancements. The conflict in Ukraine has brought various military technologies into the spotlight, none more so than the T-90 tank. As battles rage on Ukrainian soil, the T-90 has emerged as a stalwart defender and an instrument of strategic importance. The T-90 tank, a battlefield titan. The T-90 tank, developed by Russia's Yurvagin Zavod, is the culmination of decades of tank design and engineering. Its origins can be traced back to the Soviet era, with a T-72 serving as its predecessor. However, the T-90 represents a quantum leap in terms of firepower, mobility, and protection. The T-90 in the Ukrainian war, battlefield proven. Amidst the chaotic landscape of modern warfare, the T-90 tank has demonstrated its mettle on the battlefields of Ukraine. Renowned for its robust design, formidable firepower, and advanced capabilities, the T-90 has emerged as a critical asset for both offensive and defensive operations. With its unmatched maneuverability and firepower, the T-90 has enabled Russian forces to hold crucial positions, repel enemy advances, and assert dominance in key strategic areas. The T-90's success in the Ukrainian conflict can be attributed to several factors. Its advanced armor plating, including composite and reactive armor, provides unparalleled protection against enemy fire, ensuring the safety of crew members and vital onboard systems. Moreover, its highly accurate targeting systems and powerful main gun allow for precise engagement of enemy targets at long ranges, giving Ukrainian forces a significant tactical advantage on the battlefield. The T-90 tank factory, capacity, and modernization. Yurvagin Zavod, the T-90's manufacturer, plays a crucial role in Russia's armored capabilities. Here's a look at its potential. Production potential. Yurvagin Zavod's capacity to produce new T-90s is a significant factor. Numbers vary, but estimates suggest it can produce hundreds of tanks annually, impacting how quickly Russia can replace losses. Modernization efforts. Yurvagin Zavod has a history of upgrading older tanks. Its ability to incorporate battlefield lessons into future T-90 production or upgrade existing models will be crucial. Increase production and the T-90 tank factory. Recognizing the indispensable role of the T-90 tank in modern warfare, efforts have been made to ramp up production to meet the growing demand. The T-90 tank factory, located in Russia, stands at the forefront of this endeavor, employing cutting-edge manufacturing techniques and utilizing state-of-the-art equipment to churn out these formidable war machines at an unprecedented rate. The T-90 tank factory boasts a highly skilled workforce comprised of engineers, technicians, and assembly line workers, all dedicated to ensuring the timely production and delivery of T-90 tanks to military forces around the world. Through continuous process optimization and efficiency improvements, the factory has been able to significantly increase its output, contributing to the bolstering of national defense capabilities and strengthening allied nations' military arsenals. The greatness of the T-90 tank, a symbol of military excellence. The T-90 tank stands as a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of modern military engineering. Combining cutting-edge technology with time-tested design principles, the T-90 embodies the pinnacle of armored warfare capabilities. Its formidable armor, lethal firepower, and unmatched mobility make it a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield, capable of engaging and neutralizing a wide range of threats with precision and efficiency. Moreover, the T-90's adaptability and versatility make it well-suited for a variety of combat scenarios, from urban warfare to open-terrain engagements. Its modular design allows for easy integration of upgrades and enhancements, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of military technology for years to come. As such, the T-90 has earned its place as a symbol of military excellence, revered by both friend and foe alike for its unmatched combat prowess and battlefield dominance. T-90 tank technology, advancements and innovations. The T-90 tank is not merely a static piece of military hardware. It is a constantly evolving platform that incorporates the latest advancements in technology and engineering. From improved armor materials to state-of-the-art targeting systems, continuous upgrades ensure that the T-90 remains at the cutting edge of armored warfare capabilities. One of the key technological advancements incorporated into the T-90 is its advanced composite armor, which provides enhanced protection against a wide range of threats, including armor-piercing rounds and explosive projectiles. This composite armor is designed to absorb and dissipate the kinetic energy of incoming munitions, minimizing damage to critical onboard systems and ensuring the safety of the crew. In addition to its advanced armor, the T-90 is equipped with a suite of sophisticated sensors and targeting systems, including thermal imaging cameras, laser rangefinders, and ballistic computers. These systems enable the crew to accurately identify and engage enemy targets with precision, even in adverse weather conditions or low visibility environments. Furthermore, the integration of network-centric warfare capabilities allows the T-90 to seamlessly communicate and coordinate with other friendly units on the battlefield, maximizing its effectiveness in combat operations. New materials for the T-90, enhancing performance and durability. As military technology continues to advance, so too do the materials used in the construction of armored vehicles like the T-90 tank. Recent developments in materials science have led to the creation of new alloys and composites that offer superior performance and durability compared to traditional armor materials. One such material is advanced ceramic armor, which combines the strength and hardness of ceramics with the flexibility and resilience of composite materials. This ceramic armor provides exceptional protection against armor-piercing rounds and explosive projectiles, significantly enhancing the survivability of the T-90 in combat situations. Furthermore, the use of lightweight composite materials in the construction of key components, such as the hull and turret, allows for a reduction in overall weight without compromising on structural integrity or ballistic protection. This weight savings translates to improved mobility and maneuverability, enabling the T-90 to traverse rugged terrain and navigate urban environments with ease. Latest upgrades to the T-90, staying ahead of the curve. In order to maintain its competitive edge on the battlefield, the T-90 undergoes regular upgrades and enhancements to incorporate the latest technological innovations and address emerging threats. Recent upgrades to the T-90 include improvements to its fire control system, enhanced reactive armor modules, and the integration of advanced digital battlefield management systems. One of the most significant upgrades to the T-90 is the introduction of a modular armor system, which allows for the rapid installation and replacement of armor modules based on mission requirements and threat levels. This modular approach enhances the T-90's adaptability and survivability, ensuring that it remains a potent force multiplier in any combat scenario. Furthermore, ongoing research and development efforts are focused on integrating next-generation technologies such as autonomous systems, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensor suites into the T-90 platform. These advancements will further enhance the T-90's lethality, situational awareness, and operational effectiveness, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of armored warfare for years to come. Conclusion: the T-90 tank has emerged as a linchpin of modern armored warfare, playing a crucial role in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and beyond. Its battlefield prowess, increased production capabilities, and continuous technological advancements have solidified its status as one of the most formidable armored vehicles in existence. As military technology continues to evolve, the T-90 remains at the forefront of innovation, adapting to meet the challenges of the modern battlefield and ensuring the security and sovereignty of nations around the world. The genesis of the T-90, from Soviet legacy to modern powerhouse. Born out of the Soviet-era tank design philosophy, the T-90 represents a culmination of decades of innovation and technological advancements in armored warfare. This section provides a historical overview of the T-90's development, highlighting key design features and capabilities that make it a formidable war machine. Deployment in Ukraine, a strategic calculus. Russia's decision to deploy the T-90 tank in Ukraine was a strategic calculation aimed at achieving several objectives. This section examines the factors that influence the deployment of the T-90, including the operational environment, military objectives, and geopolitical considerations. It also analyzes the timing and scale of the deployment, shedding light on Russia's broader military strategy in the region. Battlefield performance, the T-90 in action. The T-90's performance on the Ukrainian battlefield has been a subject of considerable interest and scrutiny. Drawing upon battlefield reports, eyewitness accounts, and military analyses, this section provides a detailed assessment of the T-90's combat effectiveness. It evaluates its firepower, mobility, and protection capabilities, as well as its role in shaping tactical outcomes and operational dynamics. Strategic implications, redefining modern warfare. Beyond its immediate impact on the battlefield, the deployment of the T-90 in Ukraine carries significant strategic implications for regional security dynamics and global geopolitics. This section explores how the T-90's presence has influenced perceptions of Russian military power, altered the balance of power in the region, and shaped the broader strategic landscape. Challenges and lessons learned, the T-90's adaptability. While the T-90 has demonstrated formidable capabilities in the Ukrainian conflict, it has also faced its share of challenges and limitations. This section examines the operational constraints faced by T-90 crews, including terrain, logistics, and adversary tactics. It also highlights the lessons learned from the T-90's deployment and the implications for future military operations. Future prospects, the evolution of armored warfare. Looking ahead, the deployment of the T-90 in Ukraine offers valuable insights into the future of armored warfare. This section explores emerging trends and technologies in tank design and doctrine, as well as the potential implications for military strategy and defense policy. It also considers the role of the T-90 in shaping the evolution of military capabilities and the broader security landscape.